introduce Belinda A. Luna, our school's finance manager, Mr. Xavier Ray Guzman, respected teachers and staff, beloved parents, friends, and fellow graduates. Good afternoon. Today marks a significant milestone in our lives, a day of mixed emotions as we bid farewell to our beloved St. John's Academy. I stand before you filled with immense gratitude for invaluable learnings and experiences that have shaped us into who we are today. First and foremost, I want to express my heartfelt thanks to our dedicated teachers. Your guidance, patience, and unwavering support have been the backbone of our academic journey. You have not only imparted knowledge, but also instilled in us the value of integrity, perseverance, and compassion. To my classmates, Grade 6 Excellence, thank you for the friendship and the countless memories we have created together. We have laughed, learned, and grown side by side, and I cherish each moment we shared. Your camaraderie has made my journey here at St. John's Academy truly memorable. To our parents who never stop supporting and loving us unconditionally, we cannot thank you enough for everything that you have done to us. Thank you for guiding and helping us grow. To my dear parents, Mr. and Mrs. Aaron Dan Polawani, may I request both of you to please stand. Maraming salamat po sa walang humpay na pagsisikap para sa amin ni Erin. Maraming salamat po, Papa at Mama. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. As I stand at the threshold of junior high school, I carry with me the lessons and values that our school has imparted. St. John's Academy has been more than just a place of learning. It has been a nurturing ground where we have grown academically, emotionally, and morally. Speaking to you as a class valedictorian, as well as the president of the Supreme Pupil Government, I am forever grateful for this institution for shaping us into the responsible and compassionate individuals. To my fellow graduates, as we move forward to new challenges and opportunities, let us always remember the values we have learned here. Let us strive to be compassionate, empathetic, and kind in all of our endeavors. Together, we can make a positive impact on the world, just as we have learned to do within our school community. Thank you, St. John's Academy, for the precious memories and the invaluable lessons. As we step into the next chapter of our lives, we do so with confidence and gratitude, ready to face the future